I'm sure you've heard the news. Roblox error 279 is crashing games everywhere. But don't worry, your ticket back to gaming glory is right here. Step 1. Check your internet. Restart your router and modem. Just unplug, count to 30, like a quick power nap for your Wi-Fi. Still laggy? Try plugging in an Ethernet cable. Think of it as upgrading from a scooter to a sports car. And hey, kick off any devices hogging your bandwidth. Step 2. Firewalls and antivirus. Make sure Roblox is allowed through your firewall, and if your antivirus is being a drama queen, try disabling it for a moment. Still no luck? Time for backup moves. Reinstall Roblox, clear your browser cache, and if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Sometimes just switching browsers does the trick, easy as changing seats on the bus. And finally, check Roblox's status page. If the servers are down, grab a snack and wait it out. You got this. Say goodbye to error 279, and hello to endless Roblox adventures.